How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 65 GTO PHS Documented. It's got a 389 360 horse tri-power 4-speed. It's done in its original turquoise, super slick paint on the car. This had a complete frame-off restoration. It's got the original grills, they're all in excellent condition. The bumpers have been re-chromed. The headlight bezels have all been re-chromed. The underside of this car is just as nice as the top. Very, very nice. Factory colors on the car. It's the way it came out of the factory. It's got the Rally 1s on it, but they've updated them with a 15-inch Rally 1, so you could actually get a real good tire for it. So all the tail light bezels and tail panel, excellent condition. No pitting in them or anything, which is pretty rare. Rear bumpers, the original re-chromed. Everything on this car is very, very nice. Come out of a private collection. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Again, it's a 65 389 tri-power 360 horse motor. It's all got correct carbs and everything on it. It's got the heavy duty cooling system. See, it's all very nicely detailed. All the suspension in the car's been done. It's got all the new fuel brake lines. It's got the matching teal interior, very nice, dark teal. Sorry we don't have any sun today, but weather's not exactly been the greatest for us here lately. Headliner's perfect, nice, tight, no wrinkles. All the seat covers been redone, door panels. It's got the Rally gauge package with the tack. They updated it with some front seat belts. See, the car's really straight down the sides, real slick paint on it. Got the factory jack and spare. Yeah, I wish we had a little sun, but they did a AM/FM cassette with iPod capability radio in it, nice direct fit. It's got the optional grab bar on the dash, padded dash in it. It's the original center console. Fires right up, I tell you, sounds good. Car got a lot of power. Car drives beautiful. Looks like we got a bulb out or something there. We'll get that taken care of. Got the duals all the way out the back with the splitter tailpipes. Super nice car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.